Hello mga ka-Health Real Talk! Did you know your lungs can float on water? Dahil sa millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Ang gaan nila, ang taas nila. Kaya nilang lumutang kahit saan mo sila ilagay. Kaya pala kahit lulubog ka sa problema, may hangin ka pa rin para lumutang ka. Think about it. Your lungs were created to rise. Hindi sila designed para malubog, kundi para huminga, para umangat, para magbigay ng buhay. Kung may parte ng katawan mo na natural na lumulutang, siguro ikaw rin. Minsan ang bigat ng mundo, ang daming problema, expectations, disappointments, at pakiramdam mo, unti-unti ka nang lumulubog. Pero habang may natitira ka pang hininga, may chance ka pang umangat. Kahit konti. Kahit mabagal. Your breath is proof na kahit may pinagdadaanan ka, hindi ka patapos. So the next time life tries to pull you down, breathe. Let your lungs remind you of what you're capable of. This is your Health Real Talk, reminding you that you might bend, you might sink a little, but you were made to float again. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.